morning, you guys. Welcome back to another episode of Daily Driven Exotics. Today we are off to Sheepy Race to retrieve the Murcielago. It is all fixed. Can't wait to get my butt back in the seat. Dave's with me in the vlog.
Good morning.
You're going to be driving the Type R. We will be closing this, locking this all back up. You need to take it easy on the VTEC because we're currently out of oil. You ready to do this?
Let's do the oil slayer.
Get in there, the oil slayer. Look at the red interior. Hit it. And we're on the road. Huge shout out to Avenue of the Arts. You know, this is our home away from home from now on.
Are you ready for VTEC?
Let's do this. Dave, VTEC us all the way.
It's such a go-kart.
Second gear. Whoa.
Wow, it's very nimble. I'll give it that.
Baby, I'm back.
VTEC! Woo!
What up, boys?
What's going on?
Well, you know, make an entrance, right? Man, out of all the cars on the way down, there was a lot of
You know what makes it fast? Oh, check it out.
Whoa, nice catch.
Look at these guys.
See that little guy right there?
That's where your oil's going.
Right.
Is it right?
Oh, this guy's hungry. You gotta feed it oil. Oh, it's pretty dry. We're down there.
You know what?
You want to know the trick? You hold it upside down, and then you get more oil.
We want to refresh the motor, but we need more power. So we need to build the motor. Oh, dude, you are worse at pouring than me. You see that? You see that all the way back there? Look at the drip. We want, honestly, daily drivable.
Like 600.
600. It's exactly.
You know what?
Took the words out of my mouth.
The funnest street car I've ever had
Yeah?
was one of these engines that made like 450 horsepower. It's the funnest. You could beat the out of it.
That's
have all the
basically
fun.
what we want.
Let's do that.
Oh my god. Oh my god. Look at you guys. How tall are you?
We're going to Starbucks.
You're 6'2", right?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh, this is so cool. All right. You know the downside about vlogging this? Your boss is gonna know you guys were doing for the next 2 hours.
You work for us now.
Second gear, VTEC!
In the drive-thru?
There I go. Yeah!
It's not our fault, it's VTEC.
And then I would have e-braked that corner
all that
personally.
raw power.
Yeah.
And flat spots.
Yo, is that a 4-cylinder Mustang? What? You want to race? That's a 4-cylinder Mustang, right?
Yeah.
Dude,
We got 4 cylinders
we got 4 cylinders too. I even got 4 guys to slow it down a little.
We got this. Let's do this.
Right here.
Ready?
Slow and steady. Yeah, we won! We won!
So,
Yeah.
we're here to pick this up.
Yeah. Hey, there's the R8. It's been a minute.
Dude.
Still camo.
Well, it's been a minute for you. This has got to be going down in the history of all times that cars break, that an R8 has been down longer than a Murcielago.
Yeah.
Because the Murci came here thinking that we destroyed the clutch and, you know, synchros, and although the synchros still do need to be, that transmission needs to be fixed up a little bit at some point. However, the car is back and running. All they had to do is bolt those 5 bolts back into the axle, to the hub, boom, and that thing's back on the road. And this thing is still here. You guys have seen it, but Dave.
I have not seen the Mercy wrap.
No. 1, 2, 3, you ready for this?
Yeah. Oh! It looks really good. It's so bright, I have to put my sunglasses on.
We even had the wheels redone in black. And look at this.
Oh, that's sick.
White calipers, and we did the calipers with the same orange.
Oh,
as this.
yeah. Hell of a lineup. Look at this. That looks amazing. I love the bright colors. It's, you know, skateboarder, skate to die feel to it.
Yeah.
Is that the theme that was you're going for?
Yeah, and the number
Camo, you know, we're camo guys. But the way you wrap this car really shows the lines, how crazy and aggressive it is.
Oh, look at that. Little touch of orange on the interior. Okay, you guys ready for this? Oh, I miss this car. Dead battery.
Good, we're good. All right. Just give it a little juice. The electronic turbos are going in right now.
along just fine this time. The clutch slayer didn't slay a clutch after all. Just a few bolts fell off the axle. Okay, let's go. Well guys, it feels, I'm gonna be honest, really good to have the Murcielago back and without a huge bill. Zero. Because Johnny just bolted it back together. So shout out to Johnny at Sheepy Race because he's done a lot for me lately. He's really gone to bat, both on the Huracan with that blown injector O-ring, and now obviously this vehicle. So working late after hours. Thank you very much, Man Cobra. Give him a follow. He's a funny. You won't regret it. Well, you might, but it'll be good. Listen to this thing. This puts the biggest smile on your face. Big time. We are super excited to announce we are working with Tanner Fox's brand for the merch side of our business. They obviously know how to do things at a much greater scale, much more better, efficient attention to detail, shipping that lowers the shipping rates. It actually is going to be so much better for us and for you. We're gonna have more merch. It's just gonna be super sick. And they've already got some designs ready for us to see. So we thought we'd bring you guys along because we're really excited about this because merch is really hard. It's a whole separate business. We're good at being content creators and we want to continue doing that. So without any further ado,
This is the wall of signatures here at Tanner's warehouse.
yeah, Daily Driven Exotics. Somebody signed that right there.
Hey, it looks good. I like this. Look at that, you guys. Okay, here it is, you guys, the design studio.
What up, Design Studio?
Welcome to the cave.
The cave.
Wow,
no
it is
natural
a
light.
cave.
Mike, what's up,
That's
guys?
Mike, you guys.
What's up,
That's
guys?
all you need to know. This was super old school.
Yeah.
And we've got a slightly updated version.
Yes.
So this is what's coming to the channel now. Daily Driven in like a bold font, and then Exotics kind of pops because it's a thinner font.
The goal here was to give you guys a consistent brand language and carry that through the rest of your merch.
I like that brand language.
Yes.
Guys, pro tips if you own a business. Guys, for all the hat lovers, we got new hats coming. Well, you think it'll start?
Yep.
Thank goodness.
Oh, VTEC! Woo! This thing needs a clutch.
Oh, I can smell it.
Yeah, what's cool about the Type R is you're a Ferrari owner. You got an Alpina, all these cool cars. Yeah, he's got it figured out. But you saw the Type R and immediately you're like, holy, it's cool.
It is cool.
When we were younger, this is probably your dream car, wasn't it?
It was that yellow one that came out.
The Phoenix Yellow. So I don't know if you know, I had this car, this exact spec. Championship white, red interior, for 6 months. I worked at Pizza Hut for minimum wage. I just couldn't afford to keep it. But it felt so fast to me back then.
Okay, the good news is you guys, we're getting yet another car. We are.
Maybe a couple.
Well, we do. No, we have another supercar coming. Specifically, a supercar. It's not another, you know, haha, we got a Type R because I love them. But here's the awful news. We had transportation, shout out to Plycar Automotive Logistics, all planned to come and pick up the R8. And the R8 was gonna go back and we were gonna obviously leverage that to get the next car. The problem is the R8 is destroyed.
Real tears, real tears. There we go.
I can't do it. I broke the R8. I broke a lot of stuff.
R8
So-
has honestly got a whole bunch of problems, doesn't it? Just give us the bad. Go.
It runs.
ABS, it's broken. Traction control is broken. Shock sensors are broken.
Shock sensors, yeah.
Tire pressure monitor system's broken. Intake air temperature sensor's broken.
So we have a list of
Lots
things.
We could go on for a while.
The point is
EPMS,
we want to fix all of this stuff so that we can send it back proper and obviously get the most value out of that car as possible. The cool thing is we're literally taking it back to August Luxury Motor Cars and they're gonna, I think, hang on to it for a little bit, but they are gonna sell this car and they're gonna sell it for what we got it for. So all the modifications in this are gonna eventually be just like gifted to someone, whoever buys the car. You ready for this? Dun 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 dun.
Hey.
Dirty Dave exotics. DD, guys. Okay, so what do we do now? Well, we do the only thing that we do at DD with a bunch of cool guys when things go bad. We have some fun. All right, so I've got one here. So you got a little room there, and then I gave you a couple of feet on the nose end. What do you think?
I'm betting against him.
Oh, against him?
Yeah,
Good
he's
call.
gonna hit this one.
You wanna go? All right.
I'm putting money on the box.
Front or rear?
The rear box is getting taken out.
Nick?
I think the front one. I think
Okay.
the front one's going.
That's pretty close. Well, he got almost in between. No, it was good. Dude, that was good. How's he gonna do?
I think he'll do all right.
Yes,
It's-
full
it's-
support. Full support. Good one.
There he is. Watch out, heads up.
You hit the front and you were sideways.
Okay. So this is a little bit of a bite.
It's yeah.
This car is taking a little bit of abuse.
Well,
We need to hydrate your brake in here.
it's a DD car. Ready?
Yeah.
Here we go.
Right. Easy, easy. Oh, what was that? That's off the car. What'd you break? Little ding.
Let's try it again. They've definitely made it. What was this, a mini challenge?
Hey, that's pretty good. Nick's out. He's talking all types of how good he is at this.
It actually works a lot better than I thought.
What? Dude! You almost killed me!
I was trying.
It was about 3 fingers away.
3 fingers.
I swear he accelerated when he saw me.
And there you have it, folks. It can be done. Right in the middle.
Welcome to the Type R Club.
Here's the thing. My car is broken. Type R's here now. So guess what, you guys? Yep. I'm in the twin turbo Huracan.
Drive it in auto.
No. We'll drive it in 6th gear the whole time. We'll see what happens.
Back in my baby. I don't know if I trust this.
I never get to see my own cars driving.
Come on, get on it! He's so scared right now. Thanks again, bro, for looking at the cars, taking care of everything.
So
Good
who
times.
won? Who won the e-brake challenge? We never discussed that.
I honestly think you won because
Yeah.
you got kind of, even though it wasn't in the middle, you really did it the first time. Where we, then after that, we were just like taking run after run. So, you know, like, I'm literally just saying you won for like clout right now on the internet.
Oh, that's nice of you. I should just win because I won, not because they're being nice though. You guys, go follow Damon Farr on Instagram right now.
Yeah, go follow me. Dave's beating me on Instagram too. Links in description.
You do that. I know.
Okay guys, we're cruising back to the hotel. We got Charlie wanted to run with us for a little bit on the freeway here. I love that R35. You know, I had a whole bunch of you guys say we should get an R35. What do you guys think? Comment below. These things are fast. Look at this thing. found a friend. He's got his spotlight on the car. Dude, he's being cool. He's just telling everybody to knock it off with his flashlight.
Okay guys, I'm driving the Huracan right now, and I have to admit, I'm absolutely in love with this sheepy twin turbo kit. The blow-off valves are so noisy, even at low speed, listen. Can you hear that? Man, should I twin turbo the Squadron Corsa? That's gonna be the big question. A lot of you guys saying I should, a lot of you saying that that's a rare Lamborghini, don't mess with it. And my argument to that is, so is the Murcielago. It's way more rare than the Squadron, and it's getting twin turbo soon, so. So your car and my car are the exact same color. I didn't know that. Like actual same paint code. What's the paint code again?
I'm pretty sure.
The paint code.
Giallo something.
Yes, yes. Oh, looks really good.
Yeah, what's cool is look at under the door. They did the doors.
Oh shoot.
Yeah, and they do it so that you can keep the all the proper what's it called, decals and
Yeah.
stuff like that.
Should be underneath here somewhere.
Okay, cool.
Color Giardo Orion.
So it's Giallo or
Giallo
Orion.
Orion. Oh my god, I butchered it.
What is it?
Giallo Midas.
So you have Giallo Midas and I have Giallo Orion, which are both pearl yellows, but yours, like I was saying, now that I looked at it, I think it actually has a little more of like a green or a blue in it. Woo! 458 with the legit GT3 wide-body kit on it, the real race kit. It was red with all the black dry carbon accents, sick car. So he obviously sold that car, is building this to be a GT3 monster, are you not?
Yes, I am.
Hence why you have already this insane GT splitter. But no, not just a splitter. Look at the wing. He's got the massive wing already. We got the wing gang here. Wing. So all dry carbon. And you can see how wide this is. To like, no offense to the people who own Range Rovers and Porsches and like S-Class Mercedes, really nice cars. But we need to fill this whole row up with supercars.
Yeah. Well, that'll be tomorrow, right? The car event?
Yes. Awesome. All right, you guys, smash the subscribe button. We're off to bed. We just happened to run into him, literally. Yeah. As we were pulling in, he was pulling out. That sounds bad. Hey?
You always pull out.
Oh.
There's some merch right now. There's a few of these left, not many, but right now, shopd.com. That's it for this vlog. We're out. Peace.